Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making a live call. That's required for WhatsApp screen share. Once you place the voice or video call, make sure permissions for microphone and screen capture are already granted. Tap the call menu button, look for share screen or screen icon, and choose Start Now or Begin Broadcast when prompted. Do this immediately so you don't interrupt flow. The app asks for a confirmation dialog, and you must accept to begin streaming your screen to call participants. Once the screen share prompt appears, you choose what to show and why it matters: full screen for demos or a single app for privacy. If sharing video or music, make sure device audio or share audio is enabled so participants hear sound. Position your phone in the right orientation, and once done, consider locking rotation to avoid disorienting viewers. Make sure notifications are silenced before sharing. It prevents private pop-ups and keeps the presentation professional and distraction-free. To end, tap the floating screen share indicator or use the in-call menu and choose Stop Sharing, then finish the call. Afterward, review what you shared and, if concerned, revoke screen capture permission in Settings. If screen sharing fails, make sure WhatsApp has screen/display permission and background activity rights. Once done, restart the app. If problems persist, reboot the device. This clears stale permission states and usually restores screen capture functionality quickly, solving most common hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.